Ano? Release kanina.
Visual bati, lihat untuk yang control, misalnya actually Masjid Council, ADC, GHDC, kung sila working president, berperan kanina manifesto itu.
Activities regarding how to uplift the traditional custom, the traditional dress, traditional in the coming years. We would like to organize in a big way with the collaboration with the state government. I think we can organize more in the effective way. With Assam Meghalaya border, our stand is very firm that the boundary of the Ilaka should be the boundary of the state. That's why we, in the last EC, the boundary committee under my chairmanship, we have submitted a full report regarding all the areas in this disputed area. So these are the full report we have submitted to the government. I think the government should take into consideration our report because there we have given all the material regarding the ownership of land with reference to the papers or the documents submitted by the human. Disability. So we would like to reserve 3% job for them in the council. I think this is the first time that the issue. So we are very happy that we have this percentage or reservation for the total is around 40. We contest around 23 here in Khasi Hill and in Jaintia Hill 60.